Hi, good afternoon. I'm Wilson Moreno. I'm 43 years old. I'm married. I'm I live in Patch. I am going to do to the description. Hi, good afternoon.
May I help you?
Yes, sure. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Do you like to see the shop recommendation?
Yes, I'm so chicken.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I will have fresh to the Geneva, but I need fish to the have a cool bear fish.
Of course, no problem. I will break in a while.
Okay.